It's easy to know when to order your next product batch, but do you know when to ship it? If you send it too early, you get crushed by Amazon storage fee. But if you send it too late, you will stock out and you will lose your ranking. That's why most sellers rely on Sellerboard's day to reorder, but that only tells you when to manufacture more goods, not when to ship the boxes that you might already have sitting in your garage, at your supplier's warehouse, or in a 3PL. So today, I'm going to show you how to patch this hole in Sellerboard using the days until shipping feature of the free Endgame XP Chrome extension. If you're new here, I'm Hadrian. I've been a 7-figure Amazon seller since 2021, and I coded that extension for one reason. I don't like guesswork. And if you ask me, I believe that inventory management is the most boring part of the private label business that most entrepreneurs hate. So if you want to stop doing mental math every time you look at your stock levels, this tool is for you. Let's dive in. So as usual, let's start by installing the Endgame XP Chrome extension. I will add the link in the description of this video below. Once you're here, enter your email, click on install, and once you have the Endgame XP extension installed on your Chrome browser, you will have the icon appearing here. And today we will address the fifth feature called Show Days Until Shipping Sellerboard. So let's first start by opening Sellerboard. So once you are in the Sellerboard platform, you go in the inventory section in the planner, which is where you have the list of all of the products that are currently selling in your Seller Central account connected to your Sellerboard account. And along with the list of product, you have, of course, their sales velocity, amount of units you're selling per day, as well as the days of stock left based on seasonality as well. And of course, the most important column, I would say, is the days until next order, which is the calculation of Sellerboard of how many days until you need to reorder your next batch to avoid being stock out. That is including the amount of unit you have left for each product in the Amazon warehouse, as well as the one you are entering manually in the prep center or ordered sections. So there is one column that was missing, which is, as I said, the amount of days that you need to wait until shipping your product, because this column right here, days until next order, only includes the shipping time and the lead time, the production of your product. You cannot take off the lead time. So that is why I developed this feature in the Endgame XP Chrome extension called Show Days Until Shipping. So if you activate it, you first see that you can enter the amount of days it takes for a product that you have in a specific warehouse to reach the Amazon warehouse. So in that case, 35 days, I entered that value because my product one is in a warehouse in China, and I know it's going to take 35 days for this product to reach the Amazon USA warehouse. So below, you can also affect the seasonality, but for this example, we'll just leave it by default. You can also switch product to enter different type of shipping time. Instead of having to re-enter the numbers, you can save them and then just switch from product to product. So let's take product one, 35 days. And you can see that a new column appeared below called Days Until Shipping in this table. And that is showing you the amount of days you have to wait until you have to ship your unit to avoid stock out. So you can notice that this value here is different from the one in Days Until Next Order, because this matrix right here is also including the fact that I have, for this specific example, 3,300 units of product available. So I have to wait 46 days to reorder my batch, but that's considering that these 300 units are already available to sell, which is not the case. These units right here are in China, and now I know that if I want to avoid stock out, in 22 days, I will need to send some of these 3,300 units to my Amazon warehouse. This might look like a small number on the screen, but it changes your entire logistic flow. You move from sending your inventory just in case and you overpay fees to sending inventory just in time. You ship exactly when you need to and on the day sooner, and especially not a day later. If you like this tutorial and you want to go deeper into the logic of inventory flow and cash management, I break down the exact formulas I use in my 1-hour free masterclass available on the link below. It includes how I forecast my inventory needs in details. Now, there are a lot of other tasks that need to be automated in every Amazon FBA private label businesses. So if you have a suggestion of a feature you would like this extension to have, please feel free to comment it below and I'll see what I can do. In the meantime, take care and I'll see you in the next video.